Hi, you are here because you're looking for funding for your undergraduate studies abroad. So here are some scholarships for you. These are May deadlines, so hurry up and apply for them. If you want to talk to me one-on-one, please feel free to go to the website studyabroadprep.com and book a free 15-minute session.
Our first scholarship for today is an undergraduate scholarship at University College Cork in Ireland. So this is a scholarship for international students at the undergraduate level, and what they are going to be giving you is a 25% reduction in your fees. Okay, 25% fee reduction. That is what this scholarship is worth. Of course, I'm going to show you how to apply for it, but before we go there, let us read a bit about the scholarship, because it's always important to get a sense of what is the scholarship about. So the value is 25% fee reduction, and this is to be awarded. You must have an accepted offer to the university, so you need to have already gone through your application offer in your UCC application portal. So what this tells you is that you have to go through a particular portal in order to apply to University College Cork, Ireland. And then it says the scholarship is only available to applicants in the College of Science, Engineering and Food Science. This is extremely important, because yes, it's an undergraduate scholarship, but if you're not in this major, then you cannot actually avail the scholarship. And then questions about it, you can direct it to the international office. This is a scholarship for international students. Okay, alrighty. So now the question is, how do we apply to the university, right? How do we apply to the university? So when you come here, you scroll right down. Someone actually in the comment section on the May deadlines for March video also asked me, so how do I apply to the university? So to apply here, you to the University College Cork, we come here, you click on study, and then because you have to apply to the university first, right? So you click on study, and then it's like study here. Then they ask you like, what are the various courses? Then when you come here, you're going to see apply to UCC, like apply to the university, right? So you have, this is applying for postgraduate, undergraduate, and then adult continuing education. This is a scholarship for undergraduate students, so we are going to click on undergraduate program. So these are the various undergraduate programs that are here. When you come to this page, what is important, you take your time to read it, how to apply and everything, but you have to first of all choose a course, right? And you remember that the scholarship that they are giving, it's actually only for students at the College of Science, Engineering and Food Science. So we already have an idea of what they are searching for, so that has to be your major. Then now when you come here, let's say you've already determined the course, it's stated how do I apply. So it says application for the academic year 2022-2023 are open. So you can click on apply now, and it's going to take you to UCC's online application portal. Remember, it says the application fee is €50, so you have to pay this amount, and the closing date is 31st of May, because these are May deadlines for undergraduate students. So let's click on apply now. So you see that the process isn't that long at all. When you come here, if you've already created an account, you can just sign in, but because we haven't, the first thing that we have to do is create an account. First name, last name, email address, confirm email address, and then they are going to start asking you all of this information. So this is the application portal for University College College Cork, Ireland. This is the portal, and you'll have to go through this, and when you do this, then you probably do direct you to the next step, and then after that you can now apply for it. Okay, so that's how you apply to the university.
I know that so many of you belong to several Facebook groups, several Telegram groups, several WhatsApp groups. So all I ask of you is, there's a share icon somewhere. Please click that and share this video with just one person. One person, that's all I ask.
So our next scholarship is at TUS. This is like a tech university, still in Ireland. It's interesting that our second scholarship for today is also in Ireland. So this is, it says, this is when you come here, this link of course is in the description box, and it's also on the website www.studyabroadprep.com. okay, so you have international annual fees. This is it, €10,000, and then undergraduate students, which is us, is going to be 12,500 per year. Okay, so that is what we have to pay attention to. And then the scholarship, when you come here, you read different information. The scholarship that is available right now is actually this President's Scholarship. This is a scholarship, and it says all scholarship awards will be decided by TUS using verified documentary evidence submitted with online applications. So that tells you that you have to apply to the university first. All right, so now how do you apply to the university? You come here, you click on study at TUS. It's going to bring you to this page, and then you start looking at it like, okay, fine. Here, unlike our previous scholarship where they specify a major, here they don't really specify a major. So here we come in, we look for undergraduate because we all are undergraduate students trying to apply here. I'm not sure what major any of you are offering, but you can see you have tons of majors here: social sciences and childcare, art and design, built environment, business and finance, digital creative, engineering, hospitality and tourism, science, sports, wellness, transition to education. Let's just take engineering. Okay, let's just say that engineering is your major. All right, so you select that, and then you where is it, select, and then you go. I hope that that is the case. All right, and then it's going to come here, or it's telling us to still find the course. Right, no problem. Let's just say we are doing, okay, it's actually just engineering. So just come and then you select that. So let's say we are going to do automotive engineering undergraduate program. It's a 4-year program, and then now we wait here, it comes, the information comes here. This is automotive engineering transport level 8, 4 years, the information about it, what are the entry requirements, and then visit the page, modules. They give you a lot of like, what are you going to do after studying this, right? That is extremely important. So now what is important is, how do we apply for this particular program? Yes, we have chosen our program, and then what the next thing that we have to do is apply to the program, right? Let me see, where is the leaving certificates? No, where is the application? Okay, let's go back to courses. I'm not sure why it didn't take me. Yes, of course you have to choose your course, but after choosing the course you have to also apply to the university, right? So why didn't it take me to the page to apply? Let me see. This is going to happen to you all also, so just pay attention. Let's go back to study at TUS, and then you come here, you pick up a program. Admissions is here, and support. Okay, let's see. Let's say we've already chosen that engineering program, right? So now we have to figure out how to apply for it. All right, let's go to the undergraduate page, and then hopefully that, okay, your journey starts here. All right, fine. Why chat with us? And then, okay, yes, this is it, how to apply. So when you come here and you click on how to apply, let's say we've already chosen that engineering major, it says that you have to apply through a system called CAO. So applicants wishing to enter the first year full-time program and presenting their qualifications for the EUA as a basis of entry should apply via CAO. Okay, so CAO, not directly to the college, so we have to go through this program. And then let's see, the codes are listed on the program pages on the side, they are not listed on the handbook. So now let's go to the handbook, is possibly available. You can see the application process demonstrated here. All right, let's go there, so at least we have an idea on how to go about the application process. So this is the CAO web page, and then applying to CAO, obtaining your CAO application number, editing. So now you are going to have to come here, and then now when you figure out how to go through applying through CAO, you go ahead and apply. And once you get your admission, then they are going to give you information about how to apply for the scholarship. Okay, then you go ahead and do that.
If you have subscribed already to this channel, thank you so much. If you haven't, please consider subscribing to the channel.
Okay, our next scholarship is the Transform Together Scholarships for undergraduate students at Sheffield University. Okay, so it says Transform Together Scholarships are exclusively for international students starting full-time taught courses for 2022-2023. A half fee waiver. 50% discount is available for undergraduate students. Okay, and scholarships are awarded to students who can demonstrate excellent academic achievements. Applicants also need to describe how they will stand out from the crowd as an ambassador for Sheffield Hallam University during and after their studies, which means that you're going to be an ambassador for the college. It says we are now accepting scholarship applications for courses for 2022, September 2022. The closing date is 31st of May 2022. So these are May deadlines. So you all hurry up and apply for it. How do I apply? This is the juicy part, because I definitely always want to show you all how do you apply to the university, right? It says to apply for the scholarship, please follow these steps. 1, apply for a course at Sheffield Hallam University. That is the important thing. Always apply to the university, check if you meet the scholarship eligibility, and then when you've applied for a course and receive your student identifier number from us, apply for a scholarship. And this is the application form. So what is important first is we need to figure out how to apply to the university. Okay, so you scroll down here, you come to how to apply. So let's see, how do we apply to the University of Sheffield, right? How to apply. It says that don't worry if you didn't apply. Okay, this is for different stuff. Let's see, apply, how to apply. Apply to the university in 3 easy steps. Okay, application timeline. Yeah. Oh yeah, understanding the UCAS points and everything. So this is one of the this is, you have to apply through UCAS, and I'm sure that so many of you who are students here are just telling us, you see, apply online through UCAS. So you have to go to UCAS and then you apply there. You can apply for a course starting 2022 through UCAS, and this is the UK system that through which they allow students to apply. So you have to come to, this is actually me opening the UCAS system. So you have to come here, and then if you have an account, you sign in. If you don't have an account, then you have to create an account, and then this is the UCAS website. Then you are now going to go, you see they have sign in here, and then if you don't, I'm sure they are going to have register. So those that do not have an account, register and start your application process. So I'm going to put the links to all of these scholarships. I'm going to put there's a timestamp here, so of course the scholarships, each of the on this timestamp it introduces each scholarship. The links to all of these are on the website studyabroadprep.com.
Thank you guys so much for being here. I definitely appreciate your time. Please let me know in the comment section where are you watching this from, and I'm going to see you all in the next one. Cheers.